Hey, I'm JR and I'm here today with the Focal Integration IBus 20. This is their compact powered subwoofer. So if you're looking for incredibly musical, really good sounding bass in a small compact enclosure, this is it from Focal. And when you first hold this thing, you're going to notice the build quality is amazing. It's good and heavy, which is what you want from something that's going to produce a lot of bass. There's a built-in 75 watt amplifier and an 8-inch subwoofer in an aluminum enclosure. So you really know it's built well with very few resonances. It's going to just give you the bass you're looking for. Focal rates this thing to go down to around 45 hertz, and Focal is sort of known for conservatively rating their products. So when they say it can hit as low as 45 hertz, they really mean it, and it can go up to around 150 hertz. There's of course a variable low pass crossover, so you can sort of dial it in exactly the way you want. There's bass boost, there's a phase control switch. It's got all the basic controls you would want on a good subwoofer. You can use this sub with a factory radio or an aftermarket stereo. If you have an aftermarket radio, you'll run RCA cables to the RCA inputs from your subwoofer preamp outputs, and if you're hooking it up to a factory radio, you'll be able to use the speaker level inputs to get music in from your factory's speaker wires. There's also a wired remote control, which is just a bass knob, so you can dial in the bass every time the song changes. If you want more or less bass, you can take care of that right from the driver's seat. Comes with all the wire you need to get from wherever you put this to your driver's seat. Placement options are great with this because of its smaller size. You can probably fit it under the seat in most cars, certainly behind the seat of a standard cab pickup truck, or if you just want to throw it in your trunk or your hatchback area, of course it will still make great bass there as well. So if you know anything about Focal, you know that they really care not only about making lots of bass, but really making it sound good. Their subwoofers, their speakers, they're all very precise. Focal does a lot of listening, and so they don't put out a product that doesn't meet their standards, which is one of the reasons this gets so many good reviews. It's got 23 customer reviews, averaging 4.5 out of 5 stars. I'd like to read a couple of those reviews to you now. A Crutchfield customer from Lyndhurst, Ohio says, "This sub lives up to Focal's high standards. After some tweaking of the crossover, it sounds amazing paired with a pair of Focal mids and tweeters in the doors. I love the adjustment dial that allows you to increase and decrease the bass. I mounted that on the safety brake, so out of sight, but easily accessible. 2 thumbs up. I may buy another for a different car." Another customer from Sonoma County, California says, "Nice compact unit, does what I expected. Filled out the bottom end of the spectrum, no breaking windows or setting off car alarms as I drive by. Nice solid bass for the money and the size. Replaced my Harman Kardon powered sub in my BMW E46 Coupe. Pretty easy install." And this is common. These are the types of reviews you're going to read through. Most of them are very positive. People seem to really enjoy this subwoofer. So if you're looking for a compact powered sub in your car, you should certainly consider the Focal Integration IBus 20. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions on this sub, go ahead and throw it in the comments. We do read those and we try to respond whenever possible. Also, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you're notified every time we put out a cool new video like this one.